Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another fashion try on haul. This week we are doing Zara. So I have not done a Zara try on haul in a hot minute, and I really don't shop at Zara a ton. I don't know why, I just don't. I feel like their pieces are very similar to H&M, but their prices are a little bit higher, but I found some super cute pieces that I'm so excited to share with you guys. I specifically went for this, like, I think I saw this on somebody that I follow on Instagram, and I went to the website and then I fell down a rabbit hole of everything I'm about to show you. So like always, everything will be linked down below. Every piece from Zara, I will have my sizing, and I needed to size way up, like pretty significant in terms of their sizing. I feel like their sizing runs really small compared to where I normally shop. But if you already shop at Zara, then probably go to your true Zara size. But for me, I find that Zara runs a bit small for me, so I will leave all my sizes that I picked out personally for the items that I show you, plus anything that I use to style the pieces from my actual wardrobe. I'll try to find something similar, if not the same thing, to link for you as well. So let's get into everything. I'm so excited to share with you. The first piece is actually the piece that I went on the, I actually have the app. I went on the app to find, and it unfortunately did not work for me. The zipper doesn't zip, like it just does not zip. So Scott and I both tried to find it, or find a way to make it work, but it just did not. But it is this Skort. It is this super thick, heavy material. Like, it looks like dress pants, but it is a Skort, which I love that Skorts are coming back. It is, if you're not familiar with Skorts, they just have shorts underneath them. So they're really practical. It takes the mini skirt trend, but makes it more practical with the shorts. I love them. I think they're super cute. I wanted to style this a billion different ways, but unfortunately, like I said, it just won't zip. So that was a first fail of mine, but it would have been super cute, and the quality was nice and the fit was nice. Like, I could hold it to where the zipper would be and would have been perfect. It just won't zip. So I did size up in that skirt though. All right, moving along. An accessory that I picked up, I thought this purse was so unique and different. And honestly, Scott looked at it and was like, looks like a wine bottle holder, which it kind of does, but it's really cute. It's got this tie top. I still have it stuffed with stuff so it doesn't lose its shape. But it has a little seal to keep it closed. I love the embroidered detailing on it. It's so beautiful. I love this purse. The little strap. It's not gonna hold a ton, but it'll hold your phone, your wallet, basic necessities. But I think this design and everything is just so unique, and they have a bunch of different colors and designs on their site. So absolutely love that. I picked up a couple of dresses because honestly, that was another thing that I keep seeing all over my Instagram and I wanted to try out. So we're gonna start with this first one, which was an epic fail. So I first ordered this in a medium because all the reviews said it runs really small, and it runs really small. So I ordered it in a medium. I had to return it and reorder in a large, and the large was just so big, not in the chest area, not in this area, nothing like that, just in this booty area situation. It was so wide, but this is so beautiful. I just feel like if you had boobs that sat up here or had little to no boobs, then this would be the cutest dress ever. It's this linen material with the rose print. I love the color of this. I love the fit of this. Or no, I don't. I love the style of it. I don't love the fit of it because it just didn't work for my body shape. I could not get the shoulder straps to stay up tight and high enough without killing my back. Maybe you need more than one person to put it on. I don't know. It's so adorable. I love it. It's the skater skirt sort of flare out at the bottom. I don't think it's a miss, honestly. I just think for me and my body shape, it just didn't work, my chest area. It's double lined. It's absolutely stunning. So if you feel like you would fit into this and it would look good, get it, because it is gorgeous. So pretty and perfect for the spring and summer. You could wear this with heels. You could wear it with Converse and a denim jacket. So many different ways to style it. Okay, I call this haul my little 70s haul because I feel like I got a lot of very funky prints and fun stuff. The dress that I got in this like super fun thing or fun print is a shirt dress, which I love shirt dresses. This is cute. I did get this in a medium as well because I was concerned about length. And I feel like the length is a bit short, but this material is not going to shrink, so I'm not concerned about it. I love the green. It's got like multiple different colors of green and a little bit of brown in it. I think this is so cute. Tie at the waist, like flirty bottom. You could dress this with heels. You could dress it with Converse, super casual. This is so freaking cute. I love this guy. I didn't know if I was gonna love it, but it's not something I would see in the store and try on, so I'm happy that I grabbed it and fell in love with it. All right, this next piece, I need your guys' comments down below. Tell me if this is a stay or go. I honestly love it. I just like don't know if it really does much for me, but I don't think that every piece of clothing in your wardrobe needs to like flatter you. Some clothing can just be super comfortable and that's okay too. This dress would be perfect if you were pregnant. But I love this. I love the pattern. Again, very kind of like 70s print. It's a huge flowy maxi dress. I love how like lightweight it is. It's again a t-shirt style. I like the sleeves, how they kind of cinch in and then kind of poof out a little bit. I just think this looks so much more expensive than it is. Reminds me of like a Tory Burch dress or something like that. I absolutely love it. I will say I will like note the stitching. I mean, it's not like the strings are like unraveling, but they're just like loose. Do you know what I mean? Just kind of, I mean, obviously Zara like pumps out stuff often, but quality, just some loose strings, but not like they're attached to anything, if that makes sense. But I really did love that dress. So let me know. I'm really into orange. Should I keep that? Should it go? Comments down below. Okay, this top is so out of my comfort zone, but I wanted to try it out. It is a linen corset top. And y'all, it was so cute, but like the minute I bent over, like my boobs all just flew out because it is a, like a real corset. Like it has like the ribbing in it. This is gorgeous though. Oh my God, it's so stunning. I love the shape of it. And I love the pink. It's so cute. It's long enough to tuck into jeans, which I did. I think it's super flattering. I just don't know if it works for my body type. It does have the ruching in the back, which makes it very like forgiving in terms of different sizes, and it has a zipper to get in and out of on the side. So I absolutely love this, and the quality of this is freaking phenomenal. So, so cute. Okay, this next pair of pants is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna say it's so cute about everything that I show because it is. I wanted this color. I love Kelly green, my name maybe. I don't know, I love greens and I love oranges for spring and summertime. I just think they're so pretty, and pinks. I love color lately, which I never used to. These are kind of like a straight leg. They're not as wide a leg as I thought they would be, but I still think they're super flattering. I did get these in a size medium. I think I originally got them in a small, and the small fit, but I just felt like it was clinging to things that made it look cheaper than it was. Like it was just like clinging to things that it didn't need to cling on to. So I went and got them in a larger size, and I'm so happy that I did. They have the stretchy part in the back, but a flat part in the front that's still stretchy, but like sits across your stomach, really flattering. You can pair this so many different ways. I love these. They're so comfortable. They're like a thicker, not super soft material, almost like a sweatpant, but not like lined or anything like that. I don't know, I love these. With white, so cute, so freaking cute. I also got this little crop top sweater thing. I also got this in a large, I wanna say, not because I necessarily like needed a large, but I wanted it to be longer so I could tuck it into things, and it is long enough with a large. So I'm happy that I got it in a large because I did also try this in a medium, and it was like so cropped, and I wanted something longer to make it look a little bit more elevated with jeans or something like that, or like those green pants. Another top that I got that I'm in love with, you guys know, I love satin silky blouses. And this pattern screamed 70s to me. I love the green and the blue. It's so pretty. I wanted to pair this with that skirt that I showed at the beginning, but unfortunately I wasn't able to show that. The detailing on the sleeves is just so beautiful. This just looks really nice. I will say, again, the stitching, just keep in mind, it's like, I don't know. I just feel like for $50, it should be a little bit nicer, just because like, I don't know, I can get tops that look similar to this that have these issues for like 10, 15 bucks, and I'm okay with those issues because of the quality, because of the price. Does that make sense? I don't know, but it's cute. I love this coloring. I think you could pair it with those green pants, you could pair it with jeans, a skirt, anything. It's so like fun, and it's such a statement piece that you could go super simple on the bottoms, which is typically what I like to do. Speaking of fun tops, I loved this pattern, this black and tan pattern. I think it looks so elevated. Again, you can style this a million different ways. I would probably wear it more as like a dinner night out sort of top with some black heels, or you could dress it super casual as well with a pair of jeans. This is adorable. The quality of this is really nice. It's a thin linen-y sort of material, but I really am a fan of this guy. It does have like a large pocket. I think I got this in a small, and it fits oversized but not super oversized. Okay, this next fun top is so interesting, and if I was one of those, I should be one of those girls who like celebrated their full engagement. I just have been engaged for almost 2 years. This top is so freaking fun. I can't figure out how to make it work. Okay, this is so beautiful. So it is this stunning, like, I don't know what you call this material. It's like a crinkly sort of material. It's cotton soft on the inside, which is nice, and then it's got this like asymmetrical big old bow. It is adorable. With a pair of jeans, it is just a statement. You can put your hair up or just like put it to one side so that the bow really stands out. It's got a zipper to get into it. I honestly am so impressed with the quality of the shirt and how fun it is. Like, it is so unique. You will see nothing else like this, and it is a statement piece. I love it. Okay, can we talk about my new favorite jeans of all time? I feel like in every single try on haul, I'm always trying to find a wide leg, like flared pant that's got a unfinished hem, and this is it. Everything about these are perfect, okay? They're high-waisted. I got these in a size 6. They're high-waisted. I love the square pockets. I used to have a pair of Abercrombie jeans like this that had the square pocket, and I fell in love with them. There is no side like seam. They're all one solid like piece, which I feel like looks so fly. It like sucks you in at the waist and then bows you out. It is so perfect. I love these jeans. I like obviously have found my favorite wide leg jeans. I feel like these are just so perfect and so cute for the summer. I thought I found a pair from Walmart that I liked, but I honestly like these ones better, so I'm gonna keep these instead. They're so freaking cute and they're perfect. If you need one thing from the haul, it's these. If you have been on the hunt for a wide leg kind of flared out bottom jean, those are it. I did try 2 other pairs of jeans, and honestly, I love them, but I hate how they have 0 stretch. Like, how do these girls wear these jeans? They're so cute. They're so flattering, but they are so stiff and tight, and I can't even move. And yes, I tried the next size up. For whoever comes in the comments at me saying, the comments I get sometimes, you guys, people saying like, I need to come to terms that I'm fatter than I am and I need to be wearing bigger sizes, is just like the nerve of these people. But anyways, I tried multiple sizes in these jeans, and no matter what, like the big ones were just huge on me. And then this, I ended up trying the 6, and it fits really nice in the waist, but it's tight in my thighs, and it's like so smushing on my butt. I don't know, but they're so cute. They are the mom jean. I love the color of these. I love the distressing. They're so perfect. They just need a tiny ounce of stretch, and they would be my best friends, my best jeans of life. I love everything about them. But the fact that they literally feel like I am like in a straitjacket is not fun, but they're so perfect. So if you don't care and you like stiff jeans and you don't like any stretch to you, give them a go. But for me, sadly, I will be looking for stretch in my Zara jeans, or I will not be buying them again. I also grabbed these guys, which I had seen somebody I follow on Instagram rave about these. These are the Zara wide leg jean. And I liked these, but I don't know if I love them. I would definitely need to cut them because they're so long. I feel as though, like, again, the sizing is just a tiny bit off. I got these in a 6 and they fit perfectly in the waist, but then they're too wide in the hips. So it's just like, I don't know. I have not found my perfect jean from Zara yet. But they're cute. I love the color of them. I do like the distressing. I just feel like they almost look kind of like frumpy on me. I don't know. I know some people that's the style, but I find them a bit frumpy on me. So I don't know if these are a go for me either. I did try a pair of black shorts. These are the high-rise mom short, and these are rigid, but they don't feel like tight or compressive. I did get these in a size 6 as well. I loved these. I love that you can cuff them. I love that you can roll them down. I honestly do not own a pair of black shorts. I don't know why. I've just never owned a pair of black denim shorts. So I thought these were really cute. I feel like you can dress them up a little bit more, but you can also just throw them on with a graphic tee and you're good to go. But these are cute. I love the size of these. I love the fit of them. They are button fly. They're still, like, I still have room. Like, I could have sized down, but I have room in the 6 and that's what I like. So that was a win. This next, I originally got this in a small and then I went and sized up to a medium, and I find that it's like borderline too big. If I want to wear it with just like a bodysuit, it's too big. It like slides down. If I wear it with like a button down and need to tuck stuff in, then it's perfect and it'll stay up on my like waist area instead of going down to my hips. But the small was just too tight in the booty and I felt like it just wasn't comfortable. Like, I could bust the seam. I love this. Again, it's a Skort. I love this little like detail off to the side. This is such a fun print. I just know that I'm not gonna wear it a ton because it is such a fun print, but I think it's like versatile enough where I can pair it with blue or I can pair it with white or something like that and make it work. So I'm gonna keep it. I love this. So cute. But if you're between sizes, I would size up, but know that it still will be a little bit big. But if you have the, you know, expectation of tucking things into it, then size up. So those are all of the pieces that I picked up from my recent Zara haul. If you like seeing Zara hauls, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. It lets me know that you want to continue seeing them. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite piece was. Do you think I should keep the orange dress? That's what I really want to know. I love you guys so much. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see y'all in my next video.